Hello guys, and welcome. There has been quite suspense around Huawei P50 series and its launch among consumers. It was previously reported that this upcoming flagship will be delayed to the month of July. But now, Huawei has shared a teaser image for this upcoming launch event that will happen on 2nd of June. The picture shows us some interesting shape and possibly consisting of two large circles that matches perfectly with the rear camera setup of the Huawei P50 leaked previously. The teaser is not clear, but we can assume that the company will make an announcement of this flagship on the same day as HarmonyOS. Huawei doesn't seem to delay the launch event of Huawei P50 for a new month, but we'll get more insight on this matter on the day of 2nd of June. Previous sources reveals that Huawei P50 will be powered by 5nm HiSilicon Kirin 9000 processor and will feature OLED display with center hole punch cutout to house a selfie camera. To be mentioned, it will be the first Huawei smartphone or any other smartphone to come pre-equipped with HarmonyOS operating system. That's it for now. Until next time, stay connected. If you like this video, then press the like button, comment below, or press the bell icon to get notified on our latest video. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and join our Telegram channel to get the fastest notification on the latest news. And don't forget to visit huaweicentral.com.